The search table in OrCAD X allows you to find the exact set of objects and parameters you want to work on and then edit them. For example, let's say you need to change all the line widths for any VDD net on the top layer to be 20 mils. You can open the search table, which contains the entire database in a table, and for this example, let's dock it onto the side. You can then use the filters available in each column to get exactly what you're looking for. First, you can do a general text search to find all the nets that start with VDD. Then, you could use an explicit filter to select only the top layer. Finally, for numerical data, you have operators allowing you to do equals, greater than, less than, or any combination of those three. Once you get the data filtered out, you can then modify the parameters like a spreadsheet. For example, changing all the line widths of these trace segments from 15 to 20. The change is immediately affected in the database as shown here.